Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, match Evo, 80 PS. Now the car's a cracker and it has a good spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, hill hold control, an automatic post-collision braking system, front and rear parking sensors, an anti-lock braking system, a driver alert system, and that is to go alongside these 15-inch Seyne alloy wheels. The boot as well is a good size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has an eCall emergency call service, Volkswagen Connect, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, so for more information feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.